So here's this kit all dried and ironed, and I'm calling this kit Morning Sunshine Eco Dye. I always do that. I spin the pages, but I can never tell which side is up, so it doesn't really matter. This kit was the pink, the gray, and then I added that yellow sunshine like I showed at the beginning. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music and do a flip through. What's really amazing about this kit, I put these leaves in a bunch of kits, and for some reason they came out really strong in this kit, and in other kits they hardly showed up at all. So you really never can control what you're going to get with the eco dyeing. But I will say this, I said it in a couple other videos, this scrub oak always prints black. And it came out on this page because it's kind of here and there and everywhere. But there are pages where it really messed with the vibe of this kit. And I'm still going to go ahead and put it in my shop raw as is, because I never know what people love and what people aren't thrilled about. You know, one person can be in love with this page, and the next person it can be their least favorite page of the kit. So I just put them in raw, but I'm going to stay away from using the scrub oak on my lighter kits, the scrub oak leaves. And I want to do a kit where I use nothing but scrub oak and make it a really black leaf kit. So that's it for this kit, and I hope you enjoyed this. And as I said before in some of my other videos, please feel free to ask any questions. I love to help you guys get successful results. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below and go ahead and tap that bell notification so that you can get alerted for all my upcoming videos. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.